In this video, I'll show you how to filter unread emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is ensure that you're logged into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to understand that there are two ways to filter for unread emails. First of all, we're going to come here and we're going to type S, put a colon, and then type unread. And once we type this, it's going to filter out all of our emails regardless of the label that it has. And it's going to show you all of the unread emails. And here you can access your unread emails. Also, what you can also do is you can come to settings, go to CL settings, go to inbox, and here you can set unread first and then put save changes. What this does is it automatically shows you your unread emails first anytime you log in, and that's how you filter unread emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.